Summer is here, and it's time to make every moment count. Whether you're looking to stay productive, relax, or just enjoy the sunny days, having a solid routine will help you make the most of it. This summer routine is perfect for teenage girls who want to balance family time, productivity, creativity, and a little self-care. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's dive in. Wake up and take it slow. No need to rush when you're on summer break. Set your alarm a little later than usual to get that extra rest you've been craving. Enjoy the quiet of the morning without the pressure of schoolwork over you. It's your time to relax and ease into the day, so don't feel guilty about sleeping in a bit. Brush your teeth and skincare. Brush your teeth to get rid of that morning breath, and then wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Skincare is a great way to not only look good, but also feel good. Apply your moisturizer, sunscreen, and any other skincare products that make you feel pampered. Exercise. After your skincare routine, it's time to get active. Whether you go for a walk, bike ride, or do a quick workout, getting some exercise early in the day will keep your energy up. Summer mornings are perfect for outdoor activities, and you don't have to overdo it. Just 20 to 30 minutes of movement will help you feel better. Take a shower and refresh. By now, you'll definitely want to freshen up with a nice shower. Whether it's a quick rinse or a long, relaxing bath, this is the perfect way to unwind. Use your favorite body wash and shampoo and let yourself feel fully refreshed. A good shower is an instant mood lifter, and it'll get you feeling ready for the next part of your day. Make your breakfast. Now that you've woken up refreshed, it's time to make breakfast. You have so many options here. A smoothie, avocado toast, or a big bowl of cereal with fresh fruit, whatever makes you feel energized. Take your time and make something delicious, maybe even something you've never tried before. Summer is the perfect time to experiment with new recipes, so why not try something creative like a yogurt parfait or smoothie bowl? Clean and declutter. Once you've had a good rest, it's time to tidy up your space. Whether it's cleaning your room, organizing your desk, or just making your bed, a little decluttering goes a long way. A clean space helps you feel more focused and productive. Plus, it'll make you feel more relaxed when you're done. This is a great task to do while listening podcast. Makes it more fun. Hobbies. Time. Get creative. One of the best parts of summer is having time to work on your hobbies. Whether it's drawing, painting, crafting, photography, or any other creative outlet, make sure you take time to focus on what you love. You don't have to be perfect, just enjoy the process. If you're into digital design or DIY projects, this is the perfect opportunity to explore those hobbies without any pressure. Who knows, you might discover a new passion. Lunchtime. Refuel and relax. Now that you're feeling clean and refreshed, it's time for a light but filling lunch. You could go for a salad with lots of veggies, a hearty sandwich, or even a smoothie bowl with granola and fresh fruit. Whatever you choose, make sure it's nutritious so that you'll have plenty of energy for the afternoon. Read for fun or learn something new. Now it's time to give your brain a little exercise. Grab a good book, whether it's a self-help book or something educational. Reading is a great way to escape into another world or learn something new. If you're not into books, you can watch videos or listen to podcasts that inspire you. Summer is the perfect time to expand your knowledge while also having fun. Go outside and enjoy the day. Whether it's taking a walk in the park, meeting up with friends, or just hanging out in your backyard, spending time outside is a must during the summer. The fresh air, the sunshine, and the opportunity to explore new places will make your day even more enjoyable. If you're into photography, take this time to snap some pictures of the beautiful scenery around you. It's a great way to connect with nature. Snack time. Keep it light. By now, you're probably feeling a little snacky, so grab something light. Go for healthy options like fruit, nuts, or some crackers with hummus. Snacks are a great way to keep your energy up between meals, and it's an excuse to treat yourself to something yummy. Tackle vacation homework. Even though it's summer, don't forget about your vacation homework. Set aside a little time to work on it. Break it into small tasks so it doesn't feel overwhelming. You can finish it quickly if you stay focused, and once it's done, you'll have so much more time to enjoy your vacation without worrying about schoolwork. No stress, just focus and get it done. Family time. Bond and relax. Summer is all about family, and this is the perfect time to spend quality time with your loved ones. Whether you're playing games or just chatting, bonding with your family is so important. You don't need anything fancy, just enjoy each other's company and make memories that will last. Watch TV or catch up on shows. By now, it's probably time to unwind with some TV time. Watch your favorite series, catch up on YouTube videos, or just scroll through Netflix to find something new. This is the perfect time to relax and do absolutely nothing. Grab some popcorn, get comfy, and enjoy a movie night or binge watch your favorite shows. Dinner time. Enjoy and unwind. As the evening sets in, it's time for a cozy dinner. Whether you're helping your family cook or simply enjoying a meal together, make it a relaxing time. Share the highlights of your day and laugh with your family. Dinner is the perfect time to unwind and talk about what's coming up next in the week. Help your family and pitch in. After dinner, it's always good to pitch in and help with any chores. Whether it's washing the dishes, folding laundry, or tidying up the kitchen, a little teamwork can make everything go faster. Plus, it feels great to contribute and help out, especially when you know everyone is working together. Learn something new. Before you head to bed, take some time to learn something new. Whether it's watching a tutorial, practicing a skill, or doing a DIY project, this is a great way to keep your mind sharp and your creativity flowing. Summer is a great time to pick up new hobbies or work on things you've always wanted to try. Get into your pajamas and relax. As the day winds down, get cozy in your pajamas and unwind. This is the perfect time to relax and enjoy some quiet time before bed. Whether you're reading, scrolling through Pinterest, enjoy the peaceful end to your day. Dim the lights and sleep. Finally, dim the lights and get into bed. Avoid screens at least 30 minutes before sleep and take a few minutes to relax and clear your mind. Drift off into a peaceful sleep, knowing that tomorrow is another day to enjoy your summer to the fullest. And remember, summer doesn't have to be packed with constant activity to be meaningful. Sometimes, the most special moments are the quiet ones, like journaling your thoughts, watching the sunset, or painting your favorite things. It's about finding joy in the little things, growing in your own way, and embracing the freedom this season brings. So don't stress if every day isn't perfect. Just do what feels right for you and make the most of the time you have. You've got this. That's it for the ultimate summer routine for teen girls. It's a perfect balance of relaxation, family time, productivity, and a little fun. No matter how you choose to spend your summer, make sure it's a time to recharge, learn, and enjoy life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.